Hi, hello. Welcome to Food of Fast. Fantastic food at your fingertips. Sureka here again. So, what are we targeting? Now it's going to be Laddu Bonanza. Most of the kids and elders, they love laddus. Laddus are usually, taken for all the auspicious occasions, and it is an Indian sweet and it's considered as a dessert also. But let me tell you one interesting thing. Laddu, how is the laddu formed? What is it called in English or any other language? It is still laddu. Because Sushruta, who is the first physician, prepared a sesame laddu to treat his patients as an antiseptic. So from there, the round shaped laddu got formed. And so we are continuing it. And there are varieties of laddus. You have, urad dal laddus, wheat laddus, besan laddus, and a wide range of rava laddus. So I'm going to start with one and not ending it. All the kids, they are going to love it. So today what I'm going to present is the lovely urad dal laddu. It's very healthy. So quickly, let me take you through the ingredients. First, I'm taking 1 cup of urad dal. 1 cup of urad dal. Very few ingredients. 3/4 cup of sugar. When you take whatever cup size you take, it's 1 cup against 3/4 cup of sugar. So usually we don't add, but now kids are in need of good nutrition. So I'm just going to add some powdered almonds into it. We need ghee, basically melted ghee. We need to heat it a bit. That's the reason I've taken it in a steel bowl. So the first step, let's get into the very first step of the process. Dry roast your urad dal. Very critical. It's very, very critical. You need to be very careful. Under medium flame, start frying your urad dal. So you're frying your urad dal. Start frying your urad dal. It should be under medium flame. So I have taken a pan so that there is good spread. Kids, how many of you like Chota Bheem? Not only Chota Bheem, even Spider-Man, Captain America, everybody, Hulk, they get strength with laddus, you know that? I request parents to show few videos like this to kids, just for them to understand the value of our traditional food instead of giving, too many chocolates. I'm not saying no, we should encourage them, but they should also understand the importance of our traditional sweets. So we need to fry. Okay, so 3 minutes to fry under medium flame. Can you see the color? You get a nice aroma. You should keep stirring because if you leave it, the dal which is which is stuck to the pan will get roasted more and it will not be evenly roasted. So now we had the color change. Observe the color please, and then you need to transfer this into another bowl or a plate because basically you need to cool it. So to cool it, it's very important for us to spread it in a steel plate than or fruit gradable or any other material which is heat resistant. Okay, now Here is the urad dal, which is going to get, fried, which is going to get a bit cool by the time I finish the other work. Okay, let's rearrange the things so that we get into the main process of preparing our favorite laddus. So, okay, now let's take the bowl. What's the immediate step? Let it get dried. Just mixing it. We have taken 1 cup. Now, very simple. We are taking a jar, basically. We need to powder 3/4 cup of sugar. Only the powdered sugar will help bind the laddu. If you leave it, if you add it as direct sugar, it will not help you. Okay, so just enough. Now we have powdered sugar. Please be careful. First, take your lid, because when you open the lid, it tends to okay, now let's empty the lid as well. Anyway, we are going to grind the other items. Now it's time for us to powder the almonds. Few almonds. This is just an addition for nutritional value. I'm just adding almonds. Okay, so there's nothing wrong in adding the almonds. Now we have the almonds in this. Beat them well. Let's see the level of beating. Yeah, this is good. This is good. We have to use our hands for laddus because it is at home. It's not, see, now we have sugar and almond powder in a bowl. Now what we need to do carefully is to add the urad dal to the jar. It may be a bit hot. If time permits, please allow it to cool for a longer time. We have urad dal into it, right? Now we are going to grind urad dal. We are grinding the roasted urad dal. Roast it and cool it a bit and then grind it well. Let's see how much it's done. The jar may be a bit hot because of the hot urad dal. So let's have a check. See, urad dal laddu, you can make a complete paste or a complete powder, or you can leave it a bit coarse. If you make it completely a powder, what happens is it sticks to your jaws and teeth. So urad dal has that nature. So it is better to leave it a bit coarse. Okay, and let's collect everything. Indian women collect everything. Okay, now we are ready with the powder. Now the powder is a bit hot, not to worry. If you want to mix it well, because it is hot, mix it like this, so that, can you see the sugar and the almond powder coming up? So mix it well. You can prepare as many as you want and store them. You can store them for a long time, almost for 15 days to 1 month. You can store them. There are urad dal laddus prepared out of jaggery as well. So if there is an interest, we can even show you. Now it's time to add enough ghee. Ghee, as such, I have taken half a cup of it, but as you add ghee and keep mixing, you will know when exactly you need to stop adding ghee. So for whatever I added, just mix everything and see. You need to just hold and see how much the laddu is actually sticking, and it's steady for us to consume. So this much is good, but there is some flour which is remaining, the mixture. So I'm adding little more for kids. If you add more ghee, what happens is the laddu starts sticking to your container, and you will not be able to have it. One laddu will stick to the other one. So can you see this consistency? This is enough. This is good. You have everything mixed in it. This is good. Very interesting thing about urad dal is that it gives lot of bone strength for your children when they play right from childhood. If you give one urad dal laddu a day to your kids, girl babies or boys, just give them, make them small, make them look bigger, depends, right? So just tell them how important it is to have urad dal laddus. And they also have dietary fiber. They have a lot of proteins in it, which helps them be strong. So the first laddu is ready. Can you see this? See the first laddu. You need not use your other hand because you're going to make good small laddus which can be consumed. So let's make another one. You can even taste this and then add more sugar powder if your family is very much interested and has sweet tooth. So here is our second laddu. You need to basically press there, keep turning and pressing so that you get the right shape. So this is the second one. Keep mixing. At any point, if you feel it is getting dry, you can always add ghee to it. So that's the reason ghee is always ready. So you have the third laddu here. So how many do you want, kids? Do you want to have all of it? Ask your mom to make load of laddus. I request parents to show such videos to the kids. Once again, I'm reiterating. Please don't take it otherwise, because certain videos, like, how they look at the crafts, or they look at various cartoons, they should also understand the importance of traditional food. Slowly we are moving on, where our traditions have gone to different countries in different ways. We are consuming junk food, which is not of much benefit to our health. So such items will help us. And can you see how I'm preparing the laddu? You need to be a bit hard in preparing. It sticks to your hand, as I have, I told you, urad dal, see the way it sticks to our hand. No worries. If you add, less ghee, and if you have the proper consistency, you can have yummy laddus. Kids, I have announced a competition for you on Sunday, and I request all of you kids to participate in the crossword. Identify your favorite items from the list and win the contest. You're going to be rewarded for that, and I would like to appreciate every kid who can identify their favorite items from my crossword. So here is what I present: lovely urad dal laddus. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, click the notification button so that you get all of my videos. And if you like it, click the like button and leave your comments in the comment section. That will help me to improve the way I am presenting, and I will think of more recipes which are quick and healthy. And if you like my videos, please share them with others and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'm going to come back with the Laddu Bonanza with the next item. Until then, it's Sureka signing off. Food or Fast. Thank you.